Marhaban, ahlan sahlan bikum. Welcome to the first course in Quranic Arabic. In this course, you'll learn to speak, read, and write the Arabic of the Quran, also called Classical Arabic. It's the Arabic of the Quran and Hadith, which are the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad. This course is open for anyone and everyone. Muslim, non-Muslim, students of Islam, history, the Middle East, modern politics, whatever your interest may be, all are welcome. I'll be your guide through most of this course, along with Bilal Hassan and Rami Quja. Rami himself developed this course after studying Islam and Arabic at UCLA and Oxford. I'm Chris. I studied Arabic at the University of Maryland, Georgetown University, and the American University in Cairo. We are linguists and Arabic experts. We're not theologians, and we don't teach doctrine. This course is an excellent starting point for further studies in Quran, Islam, Modern Standard Arabic, or any of the dialects that are spoken in the modern Middle East. This course focuses on the Arabic script, its pronunciation, and some basic vocabulary. By the end of this course, you will be able to speak, read, and write Arabic of the Quran, and even, if you're so inclined, to recite properly. The end of this course focuses on proper recitation, but it's not necessary for completion of the course. It is my sincere hope that after the completion of this course, non-Muslims will come away with a better understanding of Islam, and that Muslims will develop a more profound relationship with Allah.